In this lecture, I will discuss the basics of dimensioning, how to detail an object, and how to write the dimensions, and what is the best way of writing dimensions. Here are the topics: introduction, dimensioning components, dimensioning objects features, placement of dimensions. First of all, introduction. Engineering design that goes through process, results, transformed transferred information. Here, when you design a part, then you will make sketches. Okay, but will sketches convey the idea? For design a part, you will create drawings, and in the drawing, you will make multi-view drawings like top view, front view, side view. And what will you get with the multi-view drawing? Shape, and with the dimensioning, size, location, okay, and non-graphic information like you will write the note, a note like the part is made of steel, iron, or wood. Contractor or manufacturer, then you will provide these drawings to the contractor or the manufacturer. Dimensioning is the process of specifying parts information by using figures, symbols, and notes like figures and symbols and notes like for example dia. You have to write this symbol of dia, and radius you will write r. For notes you will write notes. These informations are such as what dimensioning give us: sizes, location of features, material type, etc. Dimensioning system: metric system, decimal inch system, fractional inch system. Here one by one you will write like 32, 32.5, 32.55, 0.5. That is not the right way. That is a good way, 0.5, etc. In the decimal inch system, 0.25, 5.35, that is the inch system, not the fraction system. The fraction system here at the down, 1 by 4, 5, 3 by 8. Okay, so all systems are okay. So in this course we will discuss all three types, that is basic in millimeter, 32 millimeter, 32.5 millimeter, okay, 32.55 millimeter, and similarly 0.25 inch, 5.375 inch, and here also 1 by 4 inch, 5, 3 by 8 inch, etc. Dimensioning components: extension line, dimension lines, leader lines, dimension figures, NORs, local node, general node. Okay, these lines will be drawn with the 4H pencil on the drawing, and these are with the 2H pencil. Note: all construction lines should be with H or HB line, means all the visible lines that should be darker and that should be drawn with H or HB pencil. Extension line indicate the location of the object's features that are dimensioned here. That is the extension line that indicate the location of the object's feature that are dimensioned. Again, 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 again. Okay, now dimension lines indicate the direction and extent of dimension and inscribe dimension figures. Okay, here with arrows. Here, these are dimension lines. These are dimension lines. Okay, so now with dimension figures like 10, 27, 13, 43, 123 degree. Leader line indicate detail of the features with a local node like radius, dia. Okay, here that is a leader line. That line is a leader line. That is with a local node. Radius 10 with 2 dia holes, means there is radius 10, the two dia holes, this dia and this dia, this circle and this circle have the radius of 10, and this curved part has a radius of R16. Recommended practices: leave a visible gap 1 mm from a view and start a drawing on extension lines here. Extend the lines beyond the last dimension line 1-2 mm. Okay, leave the space from the ends also, just like you have left the space from the object, small spaces. So similarly left the space from the outside. Okay, the mistake. Okay, even or although this is also right, but that is not a proper or a good way. For example, this dimension is properly indicating that this surface, and this is just far too away. The extension line should be extended from the object's feature. That is a good way. Here, you have to continue the line. You have to not provide a break here. Similarly here. Common mistake here. That break is not good. Even that is wrong. There should be not any break. Dimension lines should not be spaced too close to each other and to view. Here. Okay. There is a gap from the object and the digits are written. So here now. Okay, you have to left this space. The height of figures is suggested to be 2.5 to 3 mm. Place the number at about 1 mm above dimension line and between the extension lines. Here is the right way. Okay, so mistake is written, is also written. That is just congested. So now that's looking good. So this way is right. This is again, I'm saying this is also right, but this is not a good practice. So this is a good practice. When there is not enough space for figure or arrows, put it outside either of the extension line. Okay, that is again the good one here. Okay, so now see the second one. When the space is small, you can write the outside. Not enough space, when even the space is too narrow, then there is again one. Right, that is difficult to write. So good ways write the arrow outside. So that is a good practice. Dimension figures, units. The Japanese and ISO standards adopt the unit of length dimension in millimeters without specifying a unit symbol. Millimeter means you put dimensions 22, 23 on all on all side of the object, and in the knot you will write that all the dimensions are in millimeter, so that will be okay. So no need to write everywhere symbol. Angular dimensions in degree with the symbol of degree placed behind the figures, and if necessary minutes and seconds may be used together. Okay, so you can specify like minutes, seconds, etc in the angular dimension. Dimension figures orientation, there are two: aligned and unidirectional method. So I think I will take you to the dimension that you will understand better way. Here here, here, here. Now you can see all the dimensions are aligned with the object features. Like this length is aligned, inclined, inclined, and this is the aligned method. Now unidirectional method. Okay, all the digits are vertical. Okay, this is unidirectional method. Local knot. Place the knots near to the feature which they apply, like radius, dia, and should be placed outside the view. Always try to read horizontally. Okay, if this is object, write the knot outside 10 drill. Okay, do not make it vertical. 10 millimeter. Common mistake. 10 drill, that is too far away, and that is vertical. So good practice is horizontal when you're reading it around.